Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. All right, let's get rolling. Ooh, there's our music. All right, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. And it is still April. And yesterday was the 20th. So today is the 21st. So it is April 21st, 2020, Tuesday. All right, it is supposed to be beautiful out. Yesterday after the rain left and all that, and it got really nice and was awesome out, it is supposed to be like that all day today. So very exciting. Get outside, go play. And it is supposed to be nice and warm. Tomorrow, they're saying rain, but today, amazing. All right, let's see what I got open. Today, national days today. It is National Library Workers Day, National Chocolate Covered Cashews Day, National Kindergarten Day, and National Yellow Bat Day. So there's what dates are going on for today. Very interesting. All right. All right. And our news to you, our current event. The number one WNBA draft pick. The 2020 WNBA draft was April 17th. WNBA teams picked new basketball players at the draft. The draft was online because of the coronavirus. The New York Liberty team picked the first player. They picked basketball player Sabrina Lonsk. I don't know how to say it, and I've seen it on the news a bunch. Sabrina played for the Oregon Ducks college basketball team. Sabrina made college basketball records. Sabrina is an amazing basketball player. The WNBA season is delayed because of the coronavirus. People hope Sabrina plays soon. So she did. I did see this all over SportsCenter a while back. This girl has amazing basketball skills. I thought there was a picture of her. And she has set all kinds of college basketball records and broke them and whatnot because she's that good. So pretty cool. Maybe. All right. What did WNBA teams pick in the draft? Did they pick basketball players, soccer players, or baseball players? Miss still can't read this morning. Baseball players, soccer players, or basketball players? They picked basketball players. The WNBA is the Women's National Basketball Association. Also, sorry, I didn't clear that up. What team picked Sabrina Lonsku? The Seattle Storm, the New York Liberty, or Indiana Fever? The New York Liberty picked Sabrina. And what team did Sabrina play for? The Oregon Ducks, New York Liberty, Ohio State Buckeyes, or the Louisville Cardinals? She played for the Oregon Ducks, and I'm not kidding. She was all over SportsCenter, so fairly cool. All right. For the choice board activity, here it is. I did the economics one. An opportunity cost is what you give up to buy something else. Example, you have $1 and you can buy candy or you can buy a bag of chips. If you pick the bag of chips, then you give up the candy. So I had to write about telling about an opportunity of cost that I am dealing with and hopefully going to solve this today. So right now I'm trying to decide to either buy a new bike for me or a patio dining set. I have a bike, but it needs new tires and stuff. I just bought patio furniture, but it's conversation set. It's good because we have a deck and then we have the patio below. So it was going to go on the patio below as a conversation set. So I today am going to go to Academy and check out bikes because I don't want them to ship it to me because I don't want to have to put it together and see what I can find. And I have looked up the tires and figuring out replacing my old tires and seeing what I can do with that. So that's a decision that I'm going to do today. Am I going to end up with a new bike and spending money on a new bike, or am I going to end up getting patio dining furniture and just figuring it out? So I don't honestly know yet what I'm going to do. So, it's up in there. All right. And then the Nike, the weekly activities that they sent out. So yesterday was Crazy Hair Day. Totally missed it. Darn it. But today is a talent. So I'm going to pause real quick, move my computer so you guys can see my talent. Dogs don't get in my way and that you can see my talent. So for those of you that know, I coached gymnastics for a long time and did gymnastics for a long time. So my talent is my handstand. Yay! Hopefully you can see. Hopefully you got it in the video. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll let you know if I get a bike or a dining set. It's up in there, but I got a opportunity. Got to figure out can get one or the other. Bye, guys. Have a good one.